रेडी स्टार्ट फॉर पटना हाई कोर्ट 320 वाट्स पर मिनट 90 का स्पीड रहेगा। रेडी स्टार्ट। इन ऑल दीज केसेस एट हैंड द हाई कोर्ट डज नॉट अपीयर to have focused on the requirement to have due regard to the qualifications required by the agreement or other considerations necessary to secure the appointment of an independent and impartial arbitrator. It needs to reiteration that appointment of the arbitrator or arbitrators named in the arbitration agreement is not a must, but while making appointment the twin requirements of subsection under bracket 8 of section 11 have to be kept in view, considered and taken into account. If it is not done, the appointment becomes vulnerable. In the circumstances, we set aside the appointment made in each case must repeat the matters to the High Court to make fresh appointments, keeping in view the parameters indicated above. Stop para. In the aforesaid decision of the case of Northern Railway Administration held that the High Court in the said case did not appear to have focused on the requirement to have due regard to the qualification required by the agreement or other conditions necessary to secure the appointment of an independent and impartial arbitrator. In the aforesaid decision, this court also concluded that since the requirement of subsection of section 11 was not at all dealt with by the High Court in its order, the appointment of an arbitrator without dealing with subsection 8 of section 11 of the Act become vulnerable, and accordingly such appointment must be set aside. Similar is the position in this case. In this case also, before appointing an arbitrator under section 11 under bracket 6 of the Act, the High Court had failed to take into consideration the effect of section 11 under bracket 8 of the Act as was done in Northern Railway Administration. Stop para. In view of the discussion made herein above, and particularly in view of the principles laid down by this court in Northern Railway Administration, we set aside the impugned order and remand the stop 320 वर्ड्स। शार्प जो है 80